Okay, so this video is going to be super exciting because I got my hands on JBL's brand new Quantum 600 gaming headset. Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. So as I've told you just now, I got my hands on a brand new and exclusive gaming headset from JBL guys. The thing is, JBL has launched a new lineup of gaming headsets in India by the name Quantum range. So in this series, they've got about like 7 gaming headsets starting from the price range of around 2,499 to all the way up to 22,999 rupees guys. So they've got a gaming headset for every category gamer. That is awesome, right? And the model we have right now is a mid-range kind of gaming headset in that series, the Quantum 600. Now this is a special gaming headset guys and comes with some really awesome features. The first part is it's a wireless plus wired gaming headset guys, so you can use it in both the modes. The second thing is it comes with DTS Headphone X support, and not just that, it also has JBL's new Quantum surround sound, like a 7.1 virtual surround effect. That is awesome, right? So in this video, we'll quickly unbox it and check out how this new headset looks like. Let's get started. So JBL's new gaming headset, the Quantum 600, comes in this sort of box packaging. It's a huge box and looks quite attractive and funky. We've got the JBL branding on the front, says Quantum 600, and even has a picture of the product on the front side. Now this is a very special headset guys and comes with the tagline, "Sound is survival." The main highlight of this product is the headset supports DTS Headphone X V2.0 and also features JBL's new Quantum surround sound. Now that is something which I'll tell you at a later part in this video. On top of that, it can be used in both wired and wireless modes, and since this is a gaming headset, it does feature RGB lighting as well. So going to the back side, we've got all of its highlights. The Quantum 600 comes with 50mm drivers and offers JBL's signature sound. It offers lossless and lag-free audio in 2.4G wireless mode and has a special voice-focused beam microphone with a flip-up to mute function. Features look quite promising, right? Let's first get started with the unboxing. So the box actually opens up like this, and wow, just look at that presentation. JBL is JBL guys, very premium packaging. It tells you about the Quantum engine software on the left side, which you can just pause the video and read if you're interested. Alright, let me cut this seal over here. There we go. Now let's finally check out the product. They come nicely packed on a tray. We'll come back to that in a moment. First, let's see what else did we get in the box. You get some paperwork, make sure to read that. A 2.4G wireless dongle for your PC. A 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio cable, so you can even use them in wired mode. By the way, love that black and orange JBL color scheme they've used everywhere. And lastly, you get a USB Type-C cable for charging. So that's it, these are all the items you got in the package. Now let's finally check out this brand new gaming headset from JBL. Let me just take it out of this tray. There you go, the JBL Quantum 600. Holy smokes, now that is one beautiful looking headset. It comes only in this one color, which is black, and wow, it looks very premium for the price. Now I really wonder how the Quantum 801 look like. We've got the JBL branding everywhere, and I have to say the finishing looks top notch. So this is that special mic I was talking about. It's got a switch in it that mutes the mic when you flip it up. And oh my god, are you guys looking at these ear cups? Damn, these are huge in size. So let me give you all a closer look at the headset. We've got the JBL logo on both the sides, the glowing RGB lighting, and has a beautiful two-tone finish. The body is made of a high-quality polycarbonate material. The movement of the mic also feels smooth. There's actually a lot to talk about the mic, which I'll be doing at a later part. So let me show you all the available connectivity ports on it. There's a USB Type-C port, a 3.5mm aux port to use it in wired mode with your smartphone, a microphone mute button, a volume control dial, and an exclusive game to chat balance dial for seamless communication. Also, are you guys looking at the finishing and the level of detail? Very good. I'm quite impressed with the build quality. Going to the other side, you've just got a power on off switch and an LED indicator. Talking about the headband is adjustable. It's got a metal frame on the inside and can be extended like this to fit almost any head size. And yes, the earphones can also be swiveled completely flat, which makes it easy for traveling. If you ask me about the earpads, I have never seen this huge and fluffy ear cups till now. They're high quality leather wrapped memory foam cushions and feel very soft and spongy. And even under the headband also they offer good level of memory foam padding. Well, that was our complete overview on the design and the build quality. Now let me just put them on and talk about my comfort and audio experience. The JBL's Quantum 600 is a premium gaming headset weighing around 346 grams. They're not that lightweight also, but I have to say they're one of the most comfortable gaming headsets I've used in a while. The ear cushions and the headband padding is very soft, making it great for long session gaming. The noise isolation was also good, but these ear cups do build up a bit of heat on the inside, so I had to take some small breaks for every 20 to 30 minutes. Coming to the audio, now there's a lot to talk about here. First of all, you can use these headphones in both wired and wireless mode. Wireless mode only works on PC via 2.4G dongle, and wired can be used with smartphones, PC, Xbox, PlayStation, and literally anything. Sadly, there is no Bluetooth on this model. Bluetooth is only available on Quantum 800 model. The Quantum 600 come with JBL's signature tune 50mm drivers and offer amazing sound. The mids felt crisp and clear, the vocal clarity was very good, and I could hear all the dialogues with great clarity. The high frequency response also pretty good, it is producing silky smooth treble. And coming to the bass, it was producing great low frequency rumble with punchy bass, especially sounds like gun firings and those in-game blastings while playing games like PUBG felt very realistic and awesome. I was quite satisfied with the experience. The distortion also very less, even up to 90% volume level. Now coming to the best part, the Quantum 600 also support DTS-X V2.0 and Quantum surround sound. By enabling this, you can experience an immersive 7.1 virtual surround sound effect. Here you can go with either of these options. You can choose either DTS or even JBL's signature Quantum surround sound based on your taste and preference. I like the DTS-X V2.0 experience on the overall as it felt a bit more natural. The Quantum surround sound needs to be tuned and tweaked by you guys to personalize the experience. Anyways, I really love the 7.1 mode while gaming. It helps me easily identify the direction of gun firings, the enemy footstep movements, and stuff like that. Great feature for gamers. One more thing I'd like to mention is, usually these sort of gaming headsets are not that great for listening to music. But no, that was not the case over here. Turn off 7.1, switch it to stereo mode, and boom, amazing quality sound even while listening to music. Now let's talk about the microphone. Alright guys, now it's time to do a quick microphone test on this headset. The audio that you're hearing right now in this video is from this built-in microphone, and JBL's this Quantum 600 headset comes with a special voice focus beam microphone that also features flip up to mute function. So whenever you're done with the microphone or you don't want to use the microphone, you can just simply flip it up to silence it. Let me just quickly show you. You just need. That is awesome, right? It's a very handy feature. But one thing I have to mention is it's not detachable. So that is one thing you'll have to keep in mind. By the way, what do you think about the audio quality of this microphone? Do let me know in the comment section down below. As far as if you ask me, well, I think the audio quality of this microphone is pretty good. It's great for communication while gaming. And lastly, I'd also like to give you all a quick look at JBL's Quantum Engine software, which can be used to customize the EQ settings, 7.1 spatial sound settings, as well as the RGB lighting effects. The software offers you around 4 preset RGB effects to choose from. Now let's talk about the battery. The headset comes with a built-in 1300 mAh battery, and on an average you'll get around like 13 to 14 hours of battery life with the RGB lighting turned off. And it can decrease depending on the type of RGB effects you've applied on the headset. So that was my review on JBL's new Quantum 600 gaming headset. It's a very good product for the price. Love the design, offers great comfort, excellent quality sound in wired mode, and plenty of customizations. But there were a few things I felt could have been added or improved on the headset. First one is there is no Bluetooth support on this model. Bluetooth is only available on the much higher end 800 variant. That is one thing I really miss over here. The second is the audio quality was excellent in wired mode, but it slightly degrades in the wireless mode. I faced no sort of latency issues or anything like that, but yes, the difference in the audio quality was noticeable. And also I've observed the audio gain was dropping in the wireless mode and didn't feel quite sufficient as we got in the wired mode. And lastly, the DTS-X and 7.1 quantum surround sound effects were working only on your PC, that too when you connected wirelessly using the dongle. They were not available in the wired mode. Apart from these, everything else was great. They cost around 12,999 rupees in India. I'll just leave a link to them in the description box below. You can check it out there. That's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.